how many times or how many videos should you upload on your YouTube channel? You are brand new or you are just already experienced YouTuber. How many times should you upload? There are so many theories for YouTubers when it comes to uploading the videos. There are some have conditioned themselves. I'll be posting videos twice per week, on this day at this particular time, on this day at that particular time. And they put on their their page. Personal, I don't like that way, because sometimes it helps you to be more professional. If you want, you can record more videos and schedule them at that particular time if you want. And some people, they have live time on these days. I have live on this day, on this day. It works for some other people. But sometimes you have a family and you are working here. If you specify on this day at this time, and if you don't go live at that time, you have disappointed some other people. People sometimes don't care much about writing over there. What they care, put the content over there. So number one is, how many videos should you post? When you are a younger YouTuber, what I can advise you, you need to post many videos as possible. Why? Because of the following things. Number one, you need to have inventory of content so that if someone comes to your YouTube channel, is convinced that I can subscribe to your YouTube channel and this person is committed to continue to make videos. But I come to a YouTube channel today, and guess what I'm going to get? I'm coming and see one video 3 months ago, then 2 other videos maybe a month ago. But you haven't posted a video in a month or 2 months. Like, okay, why should I subscribe? What am I going to gain from you? But if someone comes brand new to a YouTube channel and sees maybe after every day or the other day there is 1 or 2 videos, oh, I can expect this person to give me more, something of that nature. You need to have inventory and you need to have frequency of posting more videos in that particular week. That means you can be able to discover more people. I'm going to give you one secret if you didn't know. So there is one presenter or one person employee of YouTube made a presentation. In that presentation, it showed or said about YouTube recommendation. And it said, according to YouTube, one of the things usually they do, if you post a video, you have 100 views or 50 views or 10 views, they multiply by 7. They recommend it times 7 to potential people. By recommending means when someone is going to the YouTube homepage, your video will be there. Or if someone is watching on the computer, the videos will be on the side, thumbnail and the title. Or if he's watching on the phone, the video will be at the bottom and the title. That is the recommendation. So they will recommend times 7 the number of views. So people need to watch. So if someone comes to watch, click that to watch to come to a YouTube channel, needs to be convinced that this person is going to post more videos and they'll be able to benefit from this particular person. So, for me, I usually tell people, you are a younger YouTuber. If possible, post at least 5 videos in a week. At least, minimum. Or 1 video per day, 7 videos in a week. To start with. Then, the more you have more inventory, you can figure out, do you want to post 1 or 2 videos in a week? That will be down the road. But at the beginning, remember, you want more views, you want more subscribers, you want more watch hours, you want more discovery. That doesn't happen by scheduling. It's just like LeBron James, who is now among the oldest players in NBA. On the first time when he started NBA, he was playing every single game because you want all those minutes, you want more experience. But now you are that experienced. Even if you feel a little bit of pain, say, oh, let me take a day off. Because, for instance, myself on my EBMSCHOLARS channel, I have over 1,000 videos. So even if today I say I'm not going to record, I still get more views. I will still get over 100 subscribers in a day. But if you are depending, your growth depends on posting, you have to keep posting. So on my new YouTube channel, I'll be posting every single day at least 2 videos. That is the goal I'm going to have. I cannot control how many viewers are going to come to my YouTube channel. I cannot control about how many subscribers will be able to get, but I can control my pattern of posting. So apart from posting the first 10, 15 videos in a day, in one to start with, but I'm going to have 2 videos, a guarantee. That means at least 50 to 60 videos commitment per month. That was on my new YouTube channel. On my current big YouTube channel, I'm going to post a commitment of at least 3 videos per day. So I'm going to have 90 to 100 videos per month on the English YouTube channel. So you see what my commitment is. My commitment is not about how many likes, it's about what I can control. How many times I post. So some days I say I post 2 videos per day. Some days I can post 3, some days I can post 1. But in the end of the month, I have a goal on my English scholarship brand new website, YouTube, will be posting more than 50 to 60 videos. That is the goal. On the English EBM Scholars will be 90 to 100 videos. And then the Swahili YouTube channel, I'll be posting at least 30 videos per month. So that is the commitment I'm having. So I don't know about you, but for me, I have 80,000 subscribers, but I still have that one. And the more I post, the more I get views, the more I get subscribers, the more I get watch hours, the more I get paid. But you'll start doing all those scheduling down the road. How many videos you want to post? At what exactly time to post, that is very important than other things. It depends. When you go to your YouTube analytics, you click on the aspect which is called the audience. YouTube nowadays has a place which tells you at what time most viewers are watching your videos. That is the good time for you to upload or to publish your video. So if you publish the video around that time, you'll be getting more engagement. And the more views they get around that time, that is the more time YouTube is going to start sharing your videos over and over and recommending to other people. So those are the few things which are very, very critical for you to know. How many videos do you need to upload, to publish? But I tell people, don't post 1 video in a month, 1 video in a week if you are brand new YouTuber. A brand new person, remember, you are a brand new shop. You must have inventory of things to sell. If you don't have an inventory of things to sell, people are not coming to be your customer. A customer is a subscriber. A customer is a viewer. And you need to take the person who's coming to view videos for the first time to become a returning viewer, a frequently person to be part of your channel, and turn them to be part of your what you call family. So for my EBM Scholars YouTube channel, those are not just my subscribers, are EBM Scholars family members. Just we are in the same pattern, same zone of understanding. They know certain things about me. I know about them. When I go live, I remember them. So those are the few things I want you to understand about starting and growing a YouTube channel.